and Kyla.
And welcome back to the Cardello Sisters! Today, as you can see, because of our blindfolds, that we're going to be doing a blindfold challenge. And because Halloween just passed, we're going to be doing a
candy bar challenge.
In this bag, we have
6 different candy bars.
We're going to try to guess what they are. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I am.
If you're ready, I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Where's candy bar?
Where's candy bar? Okay.
Oh, I know what this is.
I feel like there's such a nut to it. Oh, I know what this is.
On the count of 3, ready?
1,
3,
2,
2, 1.
Snickers.
Baby Ruth. Snickers. I said Baby Ruth.
What?
Let's take off our blindfolds. It's a Snickers?
Uh-huh. It didn't really feel that big to me.
It didn't taste that nutty, so I said Baby Ruth.
Can I eat it?
Oh, wow. All right, let's move on to the next candy bar.
Yep. Okay. So, is it this one?
Yeah. I was right. I know what this is.
Oh, I know what this is. Go. I just know it.
Yep. On count of 3, ready?
1, 2, 3.
3 Musketeers.
Let's see if we're correct.
Yes.
Woo!
I love 3 Musketeers. I could tell by the smell of it. So that's a point for both of us.
Yep.
Next candy bar.
Okay. Oh, I can just tell by what it feels like, kind of.
I know what this is.
Once again, 1, 2. Yeah, I know what this is. 3, 2, 1.
100 grams. Yes!
Woohoo!
I love 100 grams.
They're so good.
100 grams.
First the Snickers, then the Musketeer, and then 100 grams.
Moving on to the next one.
Yep. I know what this is.
Did you just go? Yeah. Oh. Oh, what is this?
I know what this is.
I can't eat it. I know what it is.
I know what this is.
Oh, this is my first candy bar. 3,
2, 1.
Almond Joy.
Boom, bang. What?
Oh, I hate Almond Joys.
I love them.
All right. Next one.
Can I have yours? Almond Joy.
Know it. Yep.
Wait. I think I know this one too. Wait.
This is my favorite. I'm not going to tell you anything. Ready?
3,
2,
2, 1.
Milky Way.
I think.
Yes.
We got it correct. Milky Way.
Milky Ways are my favorite, so I knew that Kyla knew that, so I didn't want to say that. Next candy
When you
bar.
said it was, you knew what it was because it's your favorite. I actually knew that it was Milky Way.
Next one.
What? Go.
All
Okay.
right, this is our last one, and yeah, it's our last one.
Yeah. Ow. I don't know what this is.
I know what this is. It's not what I thought it was.
I Brenda said at the beginning that's a hint, and she was wrong on it.
I was.
Yeah.
This is not what I thought it was.
What do you think it was?
I'll tell you later.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Butterfinger.
Butterfinger. A Butterfinger? No, I mean a Baby Ruth. I'm sorry.
I meant Baby Ruth too.
I thought it was a Butterfinger. That's what I said, Butterfinger, but I meant a Baby Ruth.
I meant a Baby Ruth too. Please do not mark that wrong, because we both thought it was.
We wouldn't know what it was.
We knew what it was, but we forgot the name basically.
No, I didn't forget the name. I knew what it was.
Yeah.
Because I thought it was. So that's what I thought. I thought it was a Butterfinger because I absolutely hate Butterfingers.
Yeah.
And we did do a Butterfinger yet. So my favorite candy bar of this challenge is still the Dear Milky Way. I love Milky Ways.
I wish that was a Kit Kat.
Well, my least favorite
Was the almond joy.
was the almond joy.
I knew it.
I hate almond joys.
My favorite was probably I don't know. I think it was the Three Musketeer.
And your least favorite?
Gotta say it was the almond joy. I like almond joys, but they aren't like my favorite.
So, here's our score.
I won.
I got 5 out of 6 and Kyla got 6 out of 6. So,
Sick.
Kyla, you were the grand winner.
And you have to eat this.
I don't have to eat all of it. I'll eat one bite.
You have to
chew and swallow because I lose.
No, you have to eat the whole. You have to eat like a humongous chunk.
I'm eating this much.
No, you can't eat that. You have to eat a whole chunk.
Fine, I'll take one bite.
You have to chew and swallow it.
Alright. Uncle God for watching this video.
Goodbye.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you like these challenges. Or like me gagging. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified like a new video like this pops up. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.